According to China Railway Shanghai Bureau Group, a total of 655 trips have been made by sea rail freight trains in East China's Shanghai since this March, transporting 84,000 20-foot equivalent units of goods, up 42% year-on-year. Officials from the group said that sea rail combined transportation has much relieved the city's logistic pressure since road transportation has been impacted by the recent COVID-19 resurgence. Luqiao Port Central Station, which shoulders 90% of the business volume of Shanghai's sea rail combined transportation, has worked to guarantee the smooth operation of at least 10 pairs of sea rail freight trains to transport over 20 TEUs of emergency supplies every day.
我们今年来呢，就是打好团体赛，联动港口、铁路的优势，把几家联合起来，使我们整体的这个铁海联运啊，这个打造成5条专线，保证我们整体5条港的运作。